Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a MetaMask account on Android. First, navigate to the Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for MetaMask and download the official application. It is crucial to verify the developer to ensure authenticity. Once downloaded, open the app to start the simple setup process. This initial step takes only a few moments to complete. Next, you will be prompted to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Choose Create a new wallet to begin fresh. Carefully read and accept the terms of use to proceed. Then, establish a robust password, ensuring it contains at least 8 characters for strong security. Remember this password, as it will be needed for daily access. This is the most critical step, securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present you with a 12-word phrase. Write these words down precisely in order on a physical piece of paper. Store this paper in a very safe, private place, like a locked safe. Never store it digitally or share it with anyone. It is your ultimate key. Finally, you will be asked to confirm your secret recovery phrase by re-entering the 12 words in the correct sequence. This verifies you have recorded it accurately. Once confirmed, your MetaMask wallet is successfully created and ready for immediate use. You can now explore its features, including sending, receiving, and swapping various digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.